All right, let's continue this thing then. So I already did the Anypoint Speedway season 3, the first and the second lap. Now I'm gonna do the third lap. Yeah, and I think I'm only gonna get to the third lap. I don't think I'm gonna continue to the fourth, because the fourth is a million. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to handle a million, but I for sure will get to the third one. So let's do that. Okay. I just have I still don't understand why this time is 10 seconds. Like, should I maybe do that again? Let's see. Let me check the. Oops, sorry, I'm not sharing. Sorry. Okay, so let me check the racer status again. All right, so incorrect racer ID in average temperatures response, but like, why does this say 10 seconds? Let's cancel this. Let's check this. And let's enter again. And let's check again. Okay, now we have way less time. Perfect. All right, so now is this updated? No. Oh, because, okay, yeah, I see. So the race was 0.8, but then the 100 laps, it hasn't worked yet. Okay, because it's waiting for the temperatures. All right, so there's where I'm at. Hey, Nick. Oh, how does this look like? Which one looks better? Ooh, no, that's a lot. Round 1. And round 1. Yeah, round 1. Let's do the round 1. Hey, Nick. How's it going? All right, so let's do the 100 laps then. If I go back to the instructions, okay, this changed to 10.39 because that's what I have now. All right, so tier 2 to 100 laps. So if your racer application successfully completes tier 1, we will immediately attempt to run 100 laps as fast as your racing can complete them. This uses the same two racer API operations that you implemented for tier 1. The only requirement is for your race ID laps operation to remember each new token it receives so that it can return it next time. That's what I did. Your tier 2 score is the time it takes your racer to complete the initial post to races plus all 100 posts to races ID laps. So if I go here to races ID laps, so now I need to return the temperature. So I'm guessing it's gonna be called here, right? Yeah, this is gonna be a gzip. Accepts a JSON containing up to 1 billion. Oh wait, no, I just want the second tier. I'm confused. Racer to complete the initial post to races plus all 100 posts to races ID laps. Oh wait, we will immediately attempt to run 100 laps. Oh, as fast as your racer can complete them. Okay, I see. Okay, so I don't even see post temperatures. Why is it taking 10 seconds? I don't understand. Your tier 2 score is the same time it takes your racer to complete the initial post 2 races plus all 100 posts 2 races ID laps. Why is this taking so long? What? So it gets here to races ID laps. It's setting up the new token from the payload. Then it's setting up the race ID from the attributes. Then it's retrieving the original token. And then it's storing the new token. Okay, so the original token new token. I don't understand. Why is this taking so long? Racer ID token. This is weird. Why is it taking so long? Okay, let's do this. Let's put some loggers. Lap. Yeah, just lap. Wait, lap. And then, wait, can I put double quotes or is this gonna break? Lap. Okay, it works. So lap. And then I'm getting the race ID and the token. Okay, so the race ID is always the same, right? Interesting. Why is it taking so long? Okay, anyway, let's put lap. Well, let's put ID. And then, or rather, attributes your params ID. So ID that. And then payload. Payload. All right, let's try that. Save. Save. Deploy to sandbox, and let's see, redeploy, if that one works out. And so we'll cancel the race entry and enter the race again. I moved myself, I think. Yeah. Now I'm pointing to the right way. That's fine. Okay. Come on. Come on, come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Why are you taking so long? Mm-hmm. Oh, this is super loud. Why is this super loud? Am I super loud? What about this? I hadn't even noticed that my microphone was like the settings changed. Is this better? I think this is fine. All right. Come on, you can do this. I believe in you. Why are you not doing this? Oh, it's going, it's going. Okay. Come on, you're so close. I wonder if I... No, I don't disappear. Okay. Come on. We want to enter the race. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Start it. You are taking forever. It wasn't that long a moment ago. Why is it so long now? It takes forever. Why are you taking forever? I don't understand. I literally just added a log. Why? Come on. I'm just in tier 2, right? Yeah, I haven't finished tier 2. Oh no, I did. I haven't started tier 3. But tier 2 is taking 10 seconds. Yeah, that's my problem. Like, that's not okay. Why it's taking 10 seconds? Oh my god, why are you taking so long? Like, nothing went wrong, right? No, it should be good. This one is still going, so I guess it's turning this one off. Well, I will assume that it's already coming to these other workers. So let's just do this. Send. Okay, now check the status. Active. Oh, internal server error. Okay, so it didn't get here. Oh, what? Output media type as more than one is being... What are you talking about? Let's just try this again. So nothing changed here. Let's cancel. Let's enter again. And let's check again. Oh. How? What did I do? Really? So I need to put the output? Is that it? Unable to infer an output media type as more than one is being used. Ugh! Do you really made me wait this long just for that? Labs logger. Oh my god. Output application JSON. Okay, please tell me that's good enough. It should work now. Okay, deploy, sandbox, redeploy. And you know what? I'm also gonna send it to... Oh wait, yeah, what was the... There was another thing. Racer, Anypoint Race API. While this starts deploying again. So the basic is 10 requests per minute and 100 per day. So maybe that's why 10 requests per minute and 1,000 per day. Well, I don't know if that's it, but I'm still gonna request a new one. Did I request the access? Oh, this contract already exists. The compete? What? $15. Manage, upgrade. Okay. Why are you so... Okay. Compete. Okay, I'm gonna select the compete, submit. Okay. So now let's see. I don't think that's why, because I've only done 15 requests. I don't know, maybe. Anyway, are you up? Nope. Because you hate me. That's why. I should probably run this locally first to try to see if it runs before sending it to the wild. Fine. Why people don't let me do whatever I want? Bum, 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 bum. I think this is gonna work. I hope. I hope. Yeah. It should work. Let's send the request. Localhost 8081/API/ what was it? Oh, I forgot. Race slash, no, I don't know, races, and then the ID, I don't know, I'm just gonna add a random one app, and this should be a post, right? Yeah. Oh, and I also need to send the body as JSON request. Let me see the request. Request body, body raw. Let's do just token 1, 2, 3. No, I didn't want to say. Okay. Send token 1, 2, 3. Internal server error, key not found. Okay. It does have to be a specific race ID. Damn it. Okay, I don't want to do that. I'm lazy. Let's just wait for this to be harder. Oh no, by deploying it to the cloud and waiting forever. And once this works, I can just get the jar and put it in Cloud Hub 2.0. Because I believe that's where Ryan had put the Anypoint Speedway API. So we want to be as close as possible to whatever Ryan has to have less latency. Why is this taking so long? I don't understand. Come on. I still have another hour to try this out, so that's all right. But I really want to get to the tier 3. And I want to understand why the tier 2 is taking 10 seconds. That's a lot. 1 million rows. I want to do this one next, the temperatures. Oh, come on. Anyway, how is this going? Internal server error. So let me cancel this. And this should be, okay, this was deployed. This is not found. Cool, so now I can enter race. Okay, this has been deployed. Let's do this. Okay, so I don't see any logs. Check. 5 seconds? 10 seconds. How so? Anyway, so I want to make sure no local objects are defined for the given setting using Cloud Object Store. Race ID, payload, ID, payload. Okay, so here it's the same. No, stop. It's the same ID, okay. So I pretty much only have to save the payload. Okay, so I kind of see what's happening here. ID payload, ID payload, ID payload. So ID is always the same. Why do I need to save it then? Implement. Post request eraser with an array of temperatures. Eraser application is better to respond with the average temperature. Okay. So it's always the same ID. That doesn't change. But the problem here is that I do need to save the token before I continue. I do need to do that. Okay, so let's change a little bit the thing. Let's cancel this. All right, and now we're in the races. We set the token, the race ID, and I need to store this ASAP. Yeah, I'm just gonna save this as token. And we save the token. And let's not do this async now. If I store this, will it change my payload? I don't think so, right? It shouldn't. Hope not. Oh, but then I'm gonna set the payload anyway. No, that's fine. All right, so if I'm not gonna do that, then I can simply do this token here instead of creating a variable. Oh, but then I'm using the variable. No, I'm using the race ID. Okay. That's fine. I put the token directly so I can remove this. And I can just do the race ID here directly instead of creating a variable. Okay. Let's try like this. So it comes here, stores the token, and it sets the payload to the UUID and the racer ID. Perfect. So the key is now token, and we retrieve the payload.token. And now, if we go to races ID labs, I'm still gonna leave that. Attributes UR params ID. Wait, what? No local object store defined. Oh, that's all right. ID. Oh, wait. It's coming here twice. I think that's fine, right? Attributes your params ID, payload. Payload. As in the first lap, it's sending this, continuing the token. Okay, I don't have to do anything with the first one. Only for the second one. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. That's cool. So then I put the new token here. And I retrieve the original token. The key will now be just token. And the target variable will be original token. That one changes, right? Yeah, the token does change. So we're gonna save that in original token. I can remove the logger now. New token. So we received the new token. I'm gonna save it in the variable because I'm gonna use it later. Then the attributes, so I don't lose anything. And I retrieve the token as original token. And instead of doing the async, I have to do this directly. Token. And then bars new token. Because I kind of do want to make sure that this is saved. Oops. Oh, key token. Bars new token. And then I remove this async format document. Okay. So new token, race ID, original token. I retrieve the original token, I store the new token, and then I do the transform of racer ID, mule p racer ID, token, vars dot original token. And for here, start a new token, I need vars dot new token and the original token. Okay. This all makes sense. All right, so let's see how much that takes. All right, I'm gonna add loggers at the beginning, at the end, just to kind of have an idea. Logger starting, and then logger ending. Alrighty, and deploy, sandbox, redeploy. And while that happens, I'm gonna go ahead and put this all in a repo. So I have the git ignore, the mule artifact, the bomb. Might change the bomb. I don't want to do this, so add to git ignore. Add to git ignore. This is deploying, adding the git ignore, the racer API, the config YAML, the deploy JSON. Yeah, I don't have any credentials, so that's good. All right, there's that. And then I want to commit, I guess. First draft, commit, and publish to Anypoint Racer API Season 3 as a public repo. Wait, opening GitHub. All right, it's deploying. There we go. Alrighty, we have this thing. And now I'm gonna change the bomb to be 100. And I'm gonna change that in a moment. So I'm gonna close everything, close. Close, 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 close. And just leave my postman so I can run this as soon as I get the stuff. I don't have anything running right now. Okay. Gonna take a while again. That's alright. So in the meantime, I don't want to change the readme. I'm super lazy. Let's just leave it like that. So let's just wait for this. I still have 1 hour. And I feel like the first time that I run this after it has been deployed, I'm getting a huge delay. Hold on, let me get closer to you all while this is deployed. Which one is better? This one. Yes. So I feel like I'm getting a huge delay because I deploy this and then I run the race and it takes 5 seconds. But then if I cancel everything and I run it again, instead of taking 5 seconds, it takes like less than 1 second. So I feel like that's why. And then the other thing is that I kind of want to deploy it to Cloud Hub. Sorry, to Cloud Hub 2. Because I think that's what Ryan was using. And I forgot which one he was using. I think he hasn't replied to my stuff. Anyway, that's all right. Let's see. Once this is done. Okay, it's nearly done. Your application has started. So let's go back to this view. All right, come on. You will tell me here as well. Come on. I believe in you. Racer endpoint submitted level 1. Why does it say level 1? Like, isn't it obvious that every time that you do the entry, it's for level 1? Maybe not, but I think so. Come on! If I have to do another deployment, I am gonna start preparing the CI/CD for Cloud Hub 2. This is taking so long. Have I done the CI/CD for Cloud Hub 2? I've done it for Cloud Hub 1, but I think I haven't done it for the 2. I don't remember. But if I haven't, then I think I'm gonna do that as soon as this is done. And again, I don't know why it's taking so long. It wasn't taking this long like 2 hours ago. I really don't know what happened. Why are you making my life miserable? It's not really that hard to deploy. I don't know why you're taking so long. Blah, 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 blah. There you go. Okay. So now let's do this, and it's gonna take forever. Check racer status. Active. Okay, race took 4 seconds. That's not good. quota has been exceeded. Damn it! Okay. So at least this has been done, but I kind of want to see. So it started here this time. Let's do oh, this is the start. And I need the beginning. Do the end. This one ending. I think it's gonna tell me the same thing. Oh wait, it's like this. Like this and like this. Okay. 13 seconds! Seriously? That is a lot. Let's do that again. At least for the race, like 4 seconds for the race, that's a lot. So let's try this again. Okay, now we have 0.2. That's what's expected. Oh, jeez. It's taking a ton of time. Okay, so it finished. Oh, I don't even want to check. Okay. We have it here. Whoops. Here. Ending. It ended. 11 seconds. That is a ton of time. What in the world? Okay, so let's do this. Let's get this from here. Downloads. And let's create a new one for Cloud Hub 2. So this, upload. Anypoint race. And I could also use different replicas, but I'm not gonna do it. What happens if I use Object Store version 2? I don't know. Properties, nothing else. Okay. Let's do this. Deploy application. Oh, I didn't even check. US East. I guess it's the same one that I'm using in Cloud Hub 1, right? Anyway. So I still get this. All right. Was uploaded and is deployed. I wonder if they are being sent at the same time or if they are changing. Like all of the requests are being sent like 100 at the same time, or if it's one by one. So where is request? So let me change this to this other one. Oh, what happened? Let's see how it does here. HTTPS. What? Why are you not copying the thing? Copy link address. Copy link address. Copy. Paste. Paste. Okay. There we go. Slash API. Let's see. Let's see if it takes a little less time. 10:39. That's cool. Okay, this is done. So let's cancel this. Check the status, all good. And send the thing. All right, so it's active. I guess it's gonna take again 5 seconds, 2 seconds. But I guess it doesn't really matter anymore because can I check like, no, I cannot. Okay. 4 seconds. Oof. That is way better. Okay, let's try that again. Cancel. Enter. Check. Way better. Is it done? Three seconds. Ooh, that is beautiful. Okay, this is perfect. So let's leave it at that. We're gonna keep using Cloud Hub 2 then. Where is the thing? Here. All right, so now the 100 laps. If your racer application successfully completes tier 1, we will, oh wait, is this updated? Yes, 3.97. Good enough. We will immediately attempt to run 100 laps as fast as your racer can complete them. This uses the same 2 racer API operations that you implemented for tier 1. Oh wait, let me remove the logger. I don't need it anymore. No, where is the logger? Race ID laps. There you go. Okay. The only new requirement is for your races. Oh no, sorry, here. In your racer must also implement the temperatures resource. So here. Is your first step in the journey to the 1 billion road challenge. We will send a post request to your racer with an array of temperature measurements collected at weather station. Your racer application is expected to respond with the average temperature at each weather station. Stations have to be alphabetized and the average temperatures have to be rounded to 5 decimal places like this. Okay, so you will receive 1,000 measurements and your score is the time it takes for your racer to respond with accurate results. All right, don't need this anymore. Leave. Close that. Can close this. Okay, so how is this working? The client may send the payload compressed using compression and your racer will need to decompress it if this header is present. Yeah, but if it's not, I'm just gonna receive what? A JSON. This time with 1,000 measurements. But I don't know what is the format. Like, what am I getting here? This is just the gzip example. Oh, this is the body. Okay. Copy. This is an example, and I'm gonna receive 1,000, right? From what I understood, yeah, 1,000 measurements. Post request. One post request to your racer with an array of temperature measurements collected at weather stations. Okay. Oh, this is just a data whip then, right? like this. Array of this. And then the response has to be like that. Okay. So let's do this. I have the flow and I receive it. And do I need to keep anything here? No, I'm just gonna return the racer ID. All right, so the transform, I'm gonna do external DW file so I can modify it. Just transform. And then format document. All right, DW, transform DWL. Let's go here, have to create it. Resources. Let's just create it there. Let's remove the DW. Transform.dwl. So in resources, new file, DWL. Wait, can I do new mapping? DWL. And remove this, delete. Move to trash. New mapping. Transform. There we go. Okay. All right, so we have this thing. I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna close this. And now I can just deal with the transform. So define sample data, payload.json. And then this is the body. So I can do here, this is the body. Let's format document. All right, payload.json, and then the transform. We can do payload. And why are you not? Why are you not outputting anything? Source main resources. Do I need to add something here? Why are you not running? Check my... Do I need to update, perhaps? No. I don't know. There was a dependency that made the difference between running this or not. But I thought that was fixed. Let's see. Boom. This one. Let's see. And the version should be like 2.4.0. Will that work? Why? Okay. Hold on just one moment. Let me open a new window. Create new library project. Sample snapshot, sample project, downloads. Do you want to open the operating window? Nope. open here. I just want to see the bomb. So let me make this bigger. Maybe I have to select Speedway version 5. Let me try that. Oh, where is it? Org mule wave runtime. Org mule wave. No, this is for modules, Java module, YAML module. Org mule wave. No, it should be the first one. Yeah. Should be this one. Did we version 2? Let's put 250. Yes. Okay. Can I run this now? Okay, I can run it. That was it. Right? No. Unknown content type. What if I put 5? What? Application JSON? What do you mean? Maybe I do have to put this under DW. Let's see. New folder, DW. Let me remove this thing. Let me copy the payload first. Oops. Delete. Move to trash. Transform. Move. Well, let's see. First, if we can do it with. Nope. Well, what's happening here? Why? Maybe I do need the other one. Let's see. But let's put version 5 and save. Yeah, I think that will work. Oh no. What? I don't understand. Unknown content type application JSON. Supported content types are application DW. Oh, that's JSON. Well, you know what? I'm gonna do it with DW and then I'm just gonna change it to JSON. I don't know what's happening here. That's all right. I can close this now. And what if I change to 411? Would that make a difference? Yes. JSON. I don't know what's happening here. Oh well. It's all right. All right, let's define the sample data again. This thing, and I also need to change this to DW again. Where was it? Transform. Why are there so many spaces here? Here you are. dw/transform save. Format document. Sweet. And now can I read the payload at least? Seriously? Maybe it's because I named it transform. Rename test 1 JSON. No. All right. I don't know why this is happening, so whatever. I'm just gonna do it in the playground and come back here later. All right, thank you for killing my joy. Oh no, not PayPal. Playground. Okay, so anyway, we have this payload. And we want to, let me remove these two. What do we want to do? Oh, we want to get the temperature per station with 5 digits. Average temperature at each weather station. Stations have to be alphabetized and the average temperatures have to be rounded. Okay, sounds easy enough. So let's do payload. Group by dot station. So now we have Tokyo, Buenos Aires, Paris. And then where is the other thing? So averages. Okay, first racer ID. Wait. Racer ID. Blah blah blah. And then the averages. And then this thing. So we want to have an object of station and temperature. Let me put it here. So inside averages, this is an array, right? Yeah. Group by station. And then what? And then for each station, we want to get I'm thinking what's the best approach, like, because I could do a tail recursive because I love tail recursive. But I'm thinking if maybe there's an easier way. For sure, I'm gonna time them. Bet on it. You know what? I'm gonna leave this like that. I want to have the actual payload with 1,000 rows so I can time those. So I'm gonna come back here, I'm gonna remove this, and I'm gonna add a logger with the payload. All right, so save. And can I just generate the jar? I'm running this. What? Maven clean package. Where is the target? Oh, here it is. How can I? Okay, let's just go here. Open a finder here. There we go. Okay, so we have the target, and this is the one we want. Anypoint Racer API 100. So let me put this in downloads and then go back here. I have to do this manually because I haven't set up my CI/CD. So settings, choose file, upload file. Anypoint Race application 100. Apply changes. All right, so while that happens, let me continue taking a look at this. So I could do a group by and then get the temperature per station. I don't want to do a reduce. I'm sure about that because reduce has been letting me down lately. So yeah. I don't know what I want to do. Okay, let's do averages, payload group by station. And then from that, let's do a map object. And then no. Yes. So let's do key value. And so for each value, let's take the temperature and then we do average. And that's it. We have the averages for Tokyo, Buenos Aires, and Paris. And then now we have to redo it for this format. So I think pluck works with this. yeah, from object to array. So pluck, and then we want to have an object, and then we want station to be the key, and average, temperature to be the average value. Yeah. So for example, this one is 17, 17, and 14. Yeah. Oh, and it's also alphabetized. So after the pluck, I guess, the averages, then the map object. Let's replace this for this and this. Here, map object that, then pluck key and value. Then the order by, or in the map object, or in the group by. I think we can do it any time. Let's do it at the end where we have less things. Order by dot station. Okay, so 17, 17, and 14. And then we want to run this to the what? 5 decimal places. Let's see, round, data weave. I don't know how this one works. And this is done. Yeah, this is done. Okay. Oh, I guess I'm gonna have to change it to number. So let me just do an example. If this one is more, yeah, okay. Temperature as number format. How do we do that? It's like that. No. No. How do I do that? Data weave number format. It should be like that. Why is it not doing it? Let's see. Maybe in the numbers? No. Supported data formats. No. Streaming. Where is it? Where are the data types? System properties. No. Where are the data types? System types. Is it that one? Compose. No. What? In scripts? Where are the data types? Example reference? No, it's the same thing that I was seeing. Types. Oh, there you go. Simple types. Okay. Number. This is null. Array object. Oh, where is the number? I just want to see the number. Oh. What is happening? Number, format, data wave. How can it not be here? How to format a number to 2 digits in mil4. A string. I have to do it as string? Wait, what is Ryan asking for? No, for a number. Oh, come on, it's gonna take a lot to do to string and then to number. I thought it would work, the format with the numbers, but it apparently doesn't. It work. Yeah, I think I have to do it as string. Interesting. And I guess if I do just this, yeah, it doesn't work. Okay. What if I just do... Oh, but it has to be rounded. If I do 0 to, let's say, 4, yeah, it kind of takes them. But I want them to be rounded. Am I really gonna have to do it as string? Oops. And then as number? String. 3, 4, 5. So for example, if I do this, Paris, if I remove this, we end up with 15. So if I put one more, it goes to 16. Okay. It's rounding it. As string, as number. This is dumb. Why is it not working? Floor. Oh, floor. Data wave, floor. No, but this is to the nearest whole number. No, that's not what I want. I don't want it to be to the nearest. Lower is only for string, yeah. Max, min, mod, plug, pow, random, read, reduce. Yeah, and round only goes to... That is so interesting. Oh, here are the core types. Okay, let's see. Number, any number, decimal, integer is represented by the number. It doesn't say anything else. Cool. And also in numbers, I can only do binary, hex, and radix. All right, we'll have to live with that. So We do it as string and then we do it as number, but it is rounding them up. So that is good enough. 3, if I do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah. Okay. Good enough. So let's try this one and see how much I get. Right here. Oh, I wanted to get a logger, right? So logs. Can I just do enter race again? No. Yeah, no. Okay, have to cancel and enter it again. All right. There we go. Where is... Oh no! What? It didn't deploy? Bye! Oh, there you go. All right. You got me there for a moment. So I want to gather... Damn it. A few seconds ago. Oh, it was streamed? Yeah, I guess it was cut down because it was large. Let's see. Okay, it starts here. And it goes, it goes, it goes, it goes. No! Okay, let me download it. Yes. And let me open it here. No! Oh well. I just want to take a look at the whole payload. That's all that I want. Okay. So from there, oops, to here, or rather, we can just remove this. Oh, temperature. There we go. And then we continue, we continue, we continue, and then we have another one here. There we go. And then we continue. I hope this one is full. Another one. Temperature 21. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Another one. Temperature 22. I didn't know that could happen. That's interesting. Another one. 9. No, temperature. I feel like this was more lines than what should have been for some reason. Like, I feel like I already passed the 1,000 things. Maybe not. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. Let's remove all of this. And let's try to format this for a JSON. I can't. So let's do new there. Format in JSON. Okay. So this is correct. Now let's try to put it here. Where is the thing? Too big. Damn it. Okay. That's okay. Well, we have it. So now I'm gonna do the same thing. Oh, let me change the BOM just so I know which version this is. 1. And did I change the transform? I did. Okay, good thing I checked it. Oh, and then I also need to remove the logger. I don't want that huge logger to be outputting stuff. That one doesn't have a logger. That one doesn't have a logger. Cool. This one does have a logger. Oh. And I need to put the transform external DWL file. Transform format document. This is the w/transform.dwl. All right. And that's pretty much it. So now if we go to the transform.dwl, let's take this thing and put it here. It's all right. And we just need the racer ID, which is here. Racer ID. Save. Okay, so what did I change in the BOM? The Mule Maven plugin. And we changed this, and we changed the transform. I don't know why I cannot see it here, but oh well. It is there. Okay, so let's now do the new clean package. Okay. Now we should see the jar, and then we can deploy it manually, like a troglodyte. I have like 10 minutes left. So I'll probably just deploy this, and I will set up the CI/CD later. I also do the comparison of doing that versus doing anything else. Here. Oh, you know what? Okay, I'm gonna change it really quick. Transform.wl. This one. Oh, I didn't even save. Well, I'll have to redo that. Close. And I also want to do this. Can close that. Oh, my computer is so slow. And then, is it indent? I forgot. Data weave indent false. See it like that. Why are you so slow? I have 10 minutes. Oh, where is it? I want the data weave thing. Set reader and writer. Should be there. Yes, indent false. Okay, this is the one. Just to double check, indent false. Awesome, that is the one. So now let's add that here. Indent false, save. And now I have everything saved. I don't need the logs anymore. I have here the data. Sweet. And I have the bomb as 101. I can add this again. And let's do it. Maybe clean package. All right, target was deleted and recreated. Now let's wait for the jar. Here we go. Okay, to downloads and then to deploy manually like a cave person. (101), this one, there we go. Apply changes. All right, now let's hopefully see when this is done, and then we can check it out. That was the only thing that I needed to do, right? You will receive 1,000 measurements, and your score is the time it takes for your racer to respond with accurate results. Yeah, okay. I also have another, like, I'm thinking of other ways to solve this. And I'll time it with different scenarios to see which one works, which one is more performant. But I think I'm gonna have to time it in Visual Studio Code because we just saw like this just wouldn't do. So I may have to open another VS Code window to check that. It's still going. Let me do that really quick. File, open, well, new window, and then open recent and the example project. Okay, I don't care about the bomb. I have the source, main, DW, my module, and the test, DW, my mapping. Let's just do it here in the mapping. Okay, and this is done. Okay, awesome. So let's apply the thing. Cancel. And close this. Check. Nothing there. Awesome. Now enter. And now let's wait. Why do I still have this? Didn't I remove it? I did, didn't I? Ending. Oh, I think I left only one. Damn it. I mean, it's all right, but I forgot about that. So here, it should be at the end, right? Yep. There you go. Now save. And I'm gonna save that for the next version. And the bomb, because this is a new version. Okay. All right, so now we can check the status. Wow, 1,000 rows. Oh, that was super quick. Okay, that's awesome. I was expecting it to be another like 10 seconds. Perfect. Now I'm in the first place. You see that? Tony and just Decipher Middleware Racer. Gotcha. I'm in first place now. Boom. And if I am able to make my data weave way better, then this is gonna take way lesser. So, boom. What? Hey, I didn't get the chance to try VS Code as IDE instead of Anypoint Studio. Is it worth to switch? So, let me see you. Hold on. Let me see you. Here. So Hanzo, here's the deal. In my opinion, it is worth switching, but there is a but. Visual Studio Code is not yet ready for production ready kind of stuff, like, because it's missing still a lot of features from Studio. So if you want to start developing for your job in your day-to-day, I wouldn't recommend you to use Visual Studio Code yet for ACB, because it's missing units. You cannot add the global element configurations from a UI. You have to do it manually with the XML and stuff. I don't know if you saw, but the data weave extension is still funky. Like, I don't know why it didn't run the preview of the data weave here. But yeah, you have to, like, you can try it for fun stuff like I'm doing right now, but I wouldn't advise you to try it yet if you are working on a project with like a client or something for your company, because it's just not ready yet. There will be a huge release of ACB on June. That one I think will contain MUnit, which is awesome, but it will still be missing some key features, I believe. But it will also, I think it will also, the new one in June, I think it will have also the support for Java 17, so that's also cool. But like a lot of features, they're not ready yet to be done in ACB. So if you want to do it for your professional stuff, just stick to Studio for now. If not, then you can try VS Code just for fun stuff. But it will not have all of the features because it's still being done. So in June will be the next big release, and then in October will be the third big release of the year, I believe. So I'm looking forward to that. If you don't know what features will be coming out, you can just come and watch my streams here, or maybe in MuleSoft_community in Twitch, and there you will be able to see for sure on the new releases on June and on October what are the new things. All right, thank you for asking that, Hans. So really appreciate it. So that's all for this live stream then. I finished tier 3 and I beat Tony and the other person there. So there you go. And I will make sure to make that even speedier. So I don't know if I'm gonna have another stream today, maybe not, but I will see you tomorrow in twitch.com/MuleSoft_community at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, 7:30 a.m. Pacific Time, 2:30 a.m. London, and 8 p.m. India. Because we will start with Battlesnake. Tomorrow we'll start with Battlesnake, the Muley Madness. So I will see you there tomorrow. And then on Wednesday, we will be taking a look at Anypoint Speedway, which is what I was just doing now. And on Thursday, we will announce the winners of the 2 competitions. If you still want to apply, please go to my LinkedIn and check that out. You have there my LinkedIn. So go to my LinkedIn, and in like my profile, there's a huge banner for like Muley Madness. Check that out. It has all of the links, and go check out the links to apply to compete. Because right now, as you can see here, from the Anypoint Speedway, what am I doing? From the Anypoint Speedway, where is it? There, from the Anypoint Speedway, there are only 3 people on here, so it would be awesome if you can participate so we can be more. All right, that is all then. I will see you tomorrow on MuleSoft Community's Twitch channel. All right, see you then. Bye everyone, and remember to follow me and my channels. There you go. All right, See you.